Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? Hello beautiful people, how are you today? Today I'm gonna be sharing with you how to create this quick Hollywood style makeup look, which is actually really easy to do and it's very soft at the same time, and you can wear it with any outfit that you want. So just make sure you keep on watching to be able to see all the steps on how to achieve this look. Okay, so before we start with the makeup application, I would like to express my gratitude to the person who struggled a lot on doing my hair, which is me. I'm joking, but really you guys, I've been struggling a lot to get this going and I'm still not sure if it really works, so we're gonna see in the end once I'm removing these clips. So let's get started. I'm first gonna prep my skin using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Booster Skin Booster. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my face, like 2 drops, and I'm just gonna tap it on my skin to make sure it goes into the pores and it really moisturizes my skin and preps it. It feels a little bit sticky, but you need to give it a little bit of time until it sets into the skin before you go with the next product. So I'm gonna give it a little time. Meanwhile, I'm gonna tell you what I've used for my eyebrows, because I noticed that in all my videos I never do my eyebrows on camera, but it's actually not necessary because I'm not really doing a lot with my eyebrows. I'm just using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 5, but I'm mostly using it here in the arch because I have some gaps in the arch. So I'm just using a little bit on the arch of my eyebrows and brush it very well. And then I'm using the NYX Control Freak Fixing Gel, which helps me brush my hair upwards and fixing the hair. Alright, now my serum is fixed and I'm gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer. I'm gonna focus on the center of my face. And then I'm tapping it as well to make sure it's fixed. For foundation, I'm gonna be using Bottega Verde foundation. It's actually an Italian brand. I bought it when I was in vacation and I really loved it because first of all, it's natural. Second, it's high coverage and it lasts a really long time. But I'm gonna mix it with Cover FX Custom Glow Drops because I wanna give it a little bit of glow. So I'm gonna just mix them together on a palette. Yeah, looks nice. I'm now gonna buff it into the skin because I don't really need a super full coverage at the same time, so I want to keep it quite natural. I think you guys know me already. I never love this cakey thick foundation, so I'm always ending up removing it, you know. It's beautiful, right? Well, now I'm gonna try the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. That's in the shade Medium Light Neutral. I'm quite cheating on my favorite Tarte, but I just want to try this out as well. It's quite thick. And I'm gonna apply a little bit on the bridge of my nose as well to sharpen it up. And with my beauty blender, I'm gonna blend it. And I will go a little bit on top of the eyelids, but not too much because I'm gonna use a different type of primer today. So I don't really need my eyelids to be full of concealer or any other product. but I will be just focusing on the pigmentation or dark circles that I have. Now I'm gonna do some baking under my eyes, and I'm gonna fix my face using the Hourglass Veil powder. I'm firstly gonna check, of course, if I have any crease, which obviously I do. That's a normal thing already. So what I'm gonna do with this powder, I'm just gonna tap my beauty blender, which is actually damp, and I'm gonna tap the powder on the skin. And this time I'm gonna just follow my natural shape of my eye, and I'm just gonna create some sort of line which will help me layer with the makeup that I want to do. Guys, if you're hearing any weird noises, I just want to inform you that there is a construction going on around this building, so I'm so sorry for that. I'm gonna put a little bit on the tip of my nose as well, actually on the bridge of my nose, to make it more sharp. Okay, and that's pretty much it. For the rest of the skin, I'm just gonna dust it off with this powder. I don't really want to have a super matte face, as you probably know me already. I'm just gonna dust the rest of the product on the skin, and the same on my nose. I'm only gonna keep the powder under my eyes because, as I told you, it will really help me to create a nice shape of my eyeshadow. Alright, so now I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzing and blushing with the Naked Fly palette. It's actually a highlighter, bronzer, blush palette. It's a really pretty color. Damn, it's so difficult to do everything with this hair. I'm gonna bronze the sides of my forehead as well a little bit. And the tip of my nose, not too much. And I'm gonna use the same blusher from the same palette, just because I feel like everything will go together really beautifully. Very pretty. And for the highlighter, I'm now going to use a pigment which is actually from Paris Berlin. I don't know if I pronounce it well. It's a pigment. It's in the shade, I don't know. So this is actually it's called La Poudre Lumière from Paris Berlin. So I'm gonna use it on my face today as a highlighter. Oh damn! It's really nice. Gives you like a kind of a wet look instead of like all shimmery, you know, highlighter, glittery, whatever. looks really nice. Very nice. And a little bit in between my eyes. And the tip of my nose, but I'm gonna use my finger for that. And I'm just gonna dust it off on my face. Wherever I feel like I need some extra glow. Alright, face is done, so I'm gonna start with the eyes. I'm gonna use Dolce & Gabbana Perfect Mono. It's a cream eye color in the shade Dessert. I'm gonna scoop a little bit out. And actually, I'm gonna use it with my fingers. I think it's the best option. Sorry guys. I'm just gonna, because it's a really soft cream eyeshadow. It looks really nice actually. Okay, now I'm gonna put the same highlighter that I've used on my face under my eyebrow and in the inner corner of my eye, just for a little extra glow. Now I'm gonna use Kiko Precision Eyeliner. It's a liquid liner, and I'm gonna do like a half wing. Okay, now that I applied the eyeliner, I'm gonna take a pencil brush and a little bit of a dark brown eyeshadow, and I will start smudging the eyeliner. Now using a cotton bud, I'm gonna shape the eyeliner a little bit more and lift it. Now I'm gonna dust off the powder. And it looks like this. I will be curling my lashes a little bit and apply mascara, followed by half streak lashes as usual. For mascara, I'm gonna use Makeup Forever Smoky Lash. And I will now pop some lashes onto the outer corners. It's not a big difference, but it definitely improves the thickness on the outer corners. So then it looks even more smoky, and even it looks like a foxy eye look. Moving on to the lips, I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade 716. for the lipstick, I'm gonna use GLAM Kiss Kiss in the shade Spicy. Ooh. It's a really pretty red color. I'm gonna fix everything with Makeup Forever Mist and Fix spray. And see you later with the hair. Hopefully it will work well. Pray for me, you guys. And by the way, hairdressers, if you guys are watching this, don't judge me, okay? See you. Well, it's not bad. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you found it useful as usual. If you have any suggestion, just make sure you comment down below. Don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe button to be able to see my future tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.